In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to link Steam Brawlhalla to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up account linking between Brawlhalla on PC through Steam and then between PlayStation 5. This is going to allow you to do cross progression and unlock a bunch of features, mainly transferring over any unlocks and progress that you have made on the PC version of Brawlhalla to PlayStation 5. All that you have to do is click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen and go over to account linking. Now you will be able to find cross progression. This is where you will be able to set it up through Steam first. You will have to do the same steps on your PlayStation 5. In here, link a Ubisoft account. So the option to link both accounts or both platforms is going to be done through the Ubisoft account. It acts as the bridge that is going to allow us to connect both of them. So usually when you click this option, a web browser will appear and you will be able to confirm the link. If you don't see your Ubisoft account in here, all that you have to do is go over to ubisoft.com and sign into the account that you want to link. Once you are properly signed into an account, you can go ahead and confirm the link. So when you choose the option to confirm the link, you can go back to Brawlhalla, refresh the links, and the Ubisoft account should appear right here. Now, like I said, this might take a while, and afterwards you will have to do the same process on all the other platforms that you want to link. So the Ubisoft account finally popped up here, and now all that you have to do is go over to your PlayStation 5 and do the exact same thing. You will find the option to use your Ubisoft account, and after you do, this logged in account is going to appear besides the other linked accounts. All that you have to do afterwards is go up to setup cross progression and choose the different platforms that you want to link between them. I hope I was able to help you on how to link Steam Brawlhalla to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.